Uh, Yesterday we have revised and we came here from where we started. Yesterday we have started from board and pillar. I told you this table will be important for your numerical. So I think everybody has mug up at least this data. I have shown this is the trick 1.353 or 6. Similar this it will be 1.5, 3 and 8, 12, 15, 18. You can drive your own tricks, but you should remember this formula because he will give you the width and he will give you depth, and you have to find out the distance between center to center of the two pillar, and it will help to us to find out the pillar width. Okay, you also you have to also mug up this formula. It will also come in your numerical sections. Load acting on the pillar, this formula also you have to mug up. Strength of the pillar, then factor of safety, line of extraction. Generally we prefer diagonally, and for steep diagonal line of extraction prefer for the panel working in the conjunction with the hydraulic stowing. So you have to mug up or you remember these 2 points. Hydraulics mining we have discussed yesterday. See, transportation and cutting of the coal simultaneously, and it can be used for any seam thickness, but we prefer for modern to high desirable 70 degree, 40 degree, 70 degree for transportation material of steel plumbs, and 40 degree for the high molecular weight plastic. Then we have seen it is used for the shop and plowing plowable. It is the cost effective, 10 times lesser, air pollution will be less, productivity is higher, and the ratio should be more than 1:3. Then we have shown some auger mining video, a screw like structure, so it will help us to dig out the coal and any material. Contour mining, area mining, strip mining. Then we have seen the thickness seam, board and pillar, and long wall, single lift, multi lift, single lift with board and pillar, and hydraulic mining, multi lift with stowing, and multi lift with stowing except uppermost slice. Then long wall, single lift, slice, and undermining. Slice mining is further divided into incline slicing, horizontal slicing, diagonal slicing, transversely inclined slicing. These four method we use: ascending, descending, ascending, descending. Then we have discussed what is ascending, descending. The coal seam, thick coal seam divided into slices. If we come top to bottom, it is known as descending. If we divided slice from bottom to top, slice 1, slice 2, slice 3, then it's known as ascending. And this is ascending, descending, which involve the combination of the two. Then we have seen the sub-level caving. Sub-level caving, we have I told you that the working in three phase, the second sub-level slice we do not touch. We will use long wall retreating. So, and in the bottom we also use long wall retreating. So when we come from in the bottom long wall or bottom slice, this upper strata will cave. We will use AFC, GOF AFC, two conveyor AFC AFC. So this conveyor will transport our material outside. When we are using this AFC, we will stop this one. Or this will cave? It is soft coal. So where we use sub-level caving first where the coal is soft coal and the hard no sorry cavable roof and the soft coal and the hard roof and hard coal. Okay, so then integrated caving, we will divide in two slice. First slice we left, and in the bottom slice we use sub level, long wall retreating method. When we came back, it will fall down. We will use GOF AFC and taken this coal out. Then we have discussed the explosives. What is explosive? Classification of explosive: low explosive and high explosive. Low explosive is a common example is gunpowder. Okay, so effect is low. Effect will be low, and VOD is low. Yeah, less. And in the high explosive, we had discussed celery, special gelatin, TNT, ammonium nitride, collodion coil, cotton, ANFO. Okay, we know need for the high explosive detonator to blast it. I told you you have to summarize all explosive in 3 to 4 points. NFO is water soluble. That means we will not use where the water is present, or we use cap sensitive. It is cap sensitive. Or for NFO to use as an explosive, we will mix it with the TNT and NG, like that. Then we have discussed about permitted explosive. Permitted explosive means which is not capable to ignite the fire dam on the cold dust explosion. Then the type of explosive: P1, P2, P3, P4. P2 and P4 generally we don't prefer. P2 is non-permitted and P4 is for the special purpose. So that means P1, P3, P5 are the permitted explosive. Available explosive energy, I told you that we cannot find actual amount of energy because there are various factors which influence the energy, explosive energy. uh, then I told you to remember this power factor: coal produced by explosive use. P1, P3, P5, these three types of explosive we can use in cut phase and in degree 3. Degree 1, sorry, degree 1. For only degree 2 and degree 3, which type of explosive we use? P3. P1 and P5 is not used for degree 2 and degree 3. For solid blasting, which type of explosive we use? P5. So this type you have to mug up, and this is the maximum permissible charges: 800, 100, and 565. So yesterday we have also discussed detonator. Detonator is three type: plain detonator, delay detonator, and ordinary electric detonator. Yesterday I was saying electrical, which was wrong. It is electric. Ordinary electric detonator. Delay detonator is also two types: half long delay and short delay. So you should know short delay means millisecond. It is synonyms: millisecond short delay, half second long delay. And ordinary electric detonator is also two types: low tension, high tension. Then we have discussed the velocity of detonator, detonating pressure, type of detonator and their characteristic. Type of detonator, type, this is delay detonator, this will fire instantly, so it is not delay detonator, delay element नहीं होता इसमें. और base charge, in every detonator we use PETN. Priming charge, ASA. So their full name is here. PETN means pentaethyl tetranitrate. Okay. Or fired by plain detonator is fired by safety fuse, and ordinary electric detonator and delayed detonator both are fired with electrical current. Okay. It will ignite by safety fuse. Fired by safety fuse, it will fired by electrical current, both electric current. Then delay element, not use. We like its name, it is use delay element, so it use copper and brass. Then I told you to mug up or remember this delay interval point if they ask us, because AK Gorai mentioned. So first if we are using the first delay detonator and the last delay detonator, if they blast, their interval should not be 150 millisecond in degree 2 and degree 1. It should not be more than 100 millisecond in degree third. Degree third में we should 100 millisecond से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. Then we have also discussed that if the two simultaneously means consecutive shots, then their delay element should be 60 millisecond से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, means not more than 60 millisecond. And the two consecutive holes distance should not closer than 0.6 meter. Now today we will start from drilling pattern. So drilling pattern are various types. So if you want to uh, read about it in detail, you should follow DJ Desmukh volume 1. Okay. In that AK Gore they have mentioned these few lines. I will stick to it. I will give you 2, 4, 5 points extra, but you should, if you want to read about more, you follow DJ Desmukh or any other class, you can read about it. So drilling pattern. Drilling pattern are various types like pyramid cut, wedge cut, drag cut, fan cut, burn cut, coromet cut, or ring drilling. So what he has mentioned that this pyramid, wedge, drag, fan, they use inclined drilling. Burn and coromet, it use parallel holes. You should mug up or you should know this fact. What I have said कि इन 3-4 चीज़ों में you when you hole, it can be inclined hole, but in burn cut and coromet cut it is parallel hole. ठीक है. Wedge cut is used in board and pillar, pen cut used in board and pillar. Okay, ring pattern is used for the blasted gallery of coal mines and sub-level stopping in metal mines. It is given in BOS means blast of solid. Okay, So this information AK Gorai has given, but we will discuss more. Okay. So what is cut hole? I already told you yesterday कि if this is the your face, we will cut a hole. It is cut hole. It can be center, it inside. So it what why we create cut hole? Cut hole for free face, because if the over body or any face is compact, the explosive will not blast or properly blast. So for the proper blast we have to provide a free face, so it is essential for blasting. Now, okay, so no, yeah, it is not downloaded. Okay, I have not downloaded one image, so I will show you, don't worry. Okay, so I have to make my diagram because that image not downloaded or in my laptop. Okay, suppose that it is your face. Okay, and these are the holes. हाँ हाँ अरे आप बाजू मैं मार क्लास ले रही हूँ कर दे हाँ so these are the holes. We are reading the drilling pattern for this area only. Okay, so for in the cut hole I have already told what is cut hole. What is edges? Edges are these hole. अरे यार these hole nearby cut hole, so it provide or it extend our cut hole for more free face. Okay, what are the trimmers? These are the trimmers. What trimmers or dressers? Trimmers or dressers, what is the use of trimmer or dressers? To shape our face, if it is square or if it is look like these. So these are the trimmers which provide the shape to our face. Okay, so these trimmers or dressers drill, when we drill these trimmers, the hole we will hole on the top, on the bottom or on the side, and the hole will be inclined. Okay, so cut hole edges and trimmers I have discussed. Now come to the first, pyramid cut. Some of the method I will discuss in 4-5 points. If you want to read, go to DJ Desmukh volume 1 or other class or whichever teacher has taken. So pyramid cut. In the pyramid cut, in this area, We hole four big hole. Okay, I am zooming this area. So these one hole, second hole, three hole, and four hole. Okay, so in the square shape, in the pyramid, this will drill in such a way that it form a pyramid. How? Suppose this is our square. When we drill in inclined phase, so it will form like this. So they will not meet, but nearly meet all the 4 points. Okay, so you have, I think you have got your answer. So what is pyramid? Why we call it pyramid? ठीक है. So these are the holes. Their distance between these two holes is 0.7 meter to 1 meter. Okay, the sides of the square maybe. And second information is that the depth of the hole should not more than 50 to 60% of this, or width of the square. What I have discussed 2 points. First point is the width of the square, which is 0.7 to 1 meter. Second point I have discussed that the depth of the hole should be less than 50 to 60% to the width of the square. Okay. One question also some come in some exam, that modified version of the pyramid cut. Modified version of the pyramid cut is known as what? Cone cut. मॉडिफाइड वर्जन, जैसे हर कार का वर्जन आता है, मिसाइल का वर्जन आता है, वैसे पिरामिड कट का वर्जन है मॉडिफाइड वर्जन कोन कट. Wedge cut is also similar to it. So in the wedge cut, two to four pair of hole we will drill, and these the whole angle should not more than 45 degree, less than 45 degree. Okay, so it is similar like the pyramid cut. We whole we the hole is inclined. We also see that a pyramid cut also has a inclined drill hole, wedge cut also, drag cut also, fan cut also. Fan cut we drill inclinedly, and in the burn cut we drill hole parallel, like parallel. Suppose that this is this our face. So in the center we hole drill, big hole, then a bigger hole. So it called a center hole. We are discussing burn hole, है ना? Burn drilling. This is center hole. This is cut hole. Then the first ring, second ring. So this is the first ring. These are the holes. Then second ring, it has also holes. And third rings. These holes called dressers. These holes called as the easers. Okay. In this burn hole, this is the parallel, means this will be straight, not inclined, in like a diamond drilling or the wedge cut drilling or drag cut drilling. I have a video, but the video I will show you after the class. Okay. So this is the drilling method and the rock cutting principles. You should remember these things because these are the principle which may ask in your many exams. So diamond drilling use rotary drilling, rotary abrasive principle. It's okay. Percussive drilling use impact action. I think you have seen the rock, the road breaker, which use impact, tuck 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 tuck. Rotary roller drilling, cut and plug, cut and plowing. This principle पे काम करता है. Then jet piercing is the thermal spelling. So these are the four types of the drilling method, and these are the rock cutting principle. So diamond drilling is follow the rotary abrasive principle. Percussive drilling use impact action principle. Rotary roller drilling is using the cutting and plowing method, and jet piercing method using the thermal spelling. Common methods of the exploration drilling, various type of drilling with their specific applications. Okay, so it has given us a table. These are table which you should know. Okay, so I don't know they will ask or not, but you should know. The percussive drilling, first things you should know the principle. Which principle? Impact. Okay, which we have discussed in the last slide. Second, 50 to 75 mm. Economic, that is 300 meter. Soft and so the percussive drilling use 2 points you should remember. Percussive drilling has a first principle is impact. Second is economically up to 300 meter. Third point is its hole dia is smaller than everyone. 50 to 75 hole diameter means hole जो drill hole मार रहे. Okay, this one. So this is the dia. And third is ये याद रहे नहीं रहे, but it if you forget this data, but you should know that it is the smallest. Okay, maximum diameter of this is smallest than any other method. Economic depth and impact, and it used for soft and medium, not for hard. Then the let's see this diamond drilling. Diamond drilling is very good. drilling machine because its depth is highest. You can go up to 3000 meter and diameter is 200, not more than this, because the largest diameter you can drill with the chilled short drilling, smallest diameter of percussive drilling maximum, and Campbell drilling is 500. So percussive drilling using the soft and the medium, cap, diamond drilling you can use for any type of rock, and up to 3000 meter depth. You should remember one point, that diamond drilling is not optimal for fish type of rock or type of strata. We do not use diamond drilling. Otherwise you can use for any material, any type of rock, diamond drilling. It has the highest economic depth. Okay, so if if someone have a problem to mug up the data, then at least you should compare these data. Okay, so highest depth is diamond, then you can go cable drilling, then you go for chilled short, then you go for percussive drilling. Okay, and size of drill hole, economic depth you should remember. Come to the standard of drilling hole diameter and the core size. So I had made a trick which no back in education. Have you heard this one? No back policy. Many government has taken the no back policy on the Saturday or any one weekday. So no back in education. So N means NX, then BX, AX, then EX, which does which is which will help you in the examination to mug up that whole diameter. NX is the biggest, then BX, then AX, then EX. NX, then BX, then AX, then EX. Okay, and these data are the similar. So whatever he can ask anything, but you should remember this because all data. So he may ask that which is the biggest hole diameter, which have the biggest hole diameter, or he can compare you, or he can give you the NX, BX, EX, and either one means data they 38, 75, 60. Then you have to crossly multiply with help of this trick, no bag education. Okay, ground vibration due to the blasting. When we are using the explosive to blast a strata, so many problems will occur. First, vibration. Second, sound pollution. Third, subsidence. Fourth, water pollution, and other health impact. So here they are talking about vibration due to the blasting. So ground vibration is considered one of the most undesirable side effects of the rocks residential building in the vicinity of the mining operation, thus may lead to the confirmation and hamper the normal production. हो गई. If you blast, the normal people will disturb, they can file a case. If you blast and something will happen to him, or he will die, then normal working will happen. If the vibration is more, some it like earthquake, so your strata can fall, and you many times the overburden fall down and your machine and manpower buried under your overburden. So safety measures क्या है? Use delay detonator. We have studied the delay detonator that first drill a cut hole, then the delay element, this will blast, then these other blast, these. So use delay detonator optimization, and nowadays software are using to optimize the firing time. Blasting design. So choose the which type of blast drilling pattern is suitable for your strata, which type of rock. So the blast design is important. Charge per delay should be lower. Direction of initiation, किधर से blast करना है, you where you should start. Okay. Threshold value of the ground valuation. These are the they have given their table. So if they will ask any question, we will come back and read about it. I don't know. Okay, come to subsidence. We have to go fast little bit. Okay, so what is subsidence? Subsidence means this is your underground mines or anything. If this void fill with the upper strata, this is the called as the subsidence. Okay, this normal level will come down like this. So what is the subsidence? Subsidence is the vertically to the surface fracture extended vertically to the surface from the boundaries of the underground. Is three types: sinkholes, through, ground cracks. What is sinkhole? This is sinkhole. The strata will fall down and it create a sinkhole. And what is through? Is the this shaped depression of the ground surface in case of overburden does not break to the form a sinkhole. Okay, and three types of subsidence are occur: critical, subcritical, and supercritical. Okay, so critical, supercritical, and subcritical. If you want to read more about subsidence, also you go to the Residence book and any other book, because I will follow only AK Gorai. I have told you many times. Okay, this is your sir. Wait a second, I have to check some your feedback or anything you have comment. Yes, audible, go problem, audible, go on problem rolling, sir. What are the so? Sagarji, I have discussed Kathol many times. Shape of pyramid, so we call it as a pyramid. Okay, everybody, come back. Okay, I have read your few comments that explain more. But I will follow only AK Gorai. I will talk to management if they will say, because it is not possible. My job is to solve the numerical, but I am discussing this theory because it may be some of you have not taken the classes, so I am discussing the AK Gorai at least. So please allow me to stick on the AK Gorai. Otherwise, I cannot complete your DJ Deshmukh Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3. It has already discussed in other classes. Okay. So this is our angle of. I have already discussed that the subsidence is three types: critical, subcritical, supercritical, and I have told you that what is through what is the sinkhole. Then this is what we call, this is the stress curve. This is your surface. Okay. So what is angle of Drew? एंगल ऑफ ड्रू, इसको एंगल ऑफ ड्रो बोलते हैं, ड्रू बोलते हैं, इन वट एवर वे यू कैन प्रोनाउंसिएट एंगल ऑफ ड्रू. What is the depend, which factor influence the angle of Drew? First, seam thickness. Second, overlying strata. Third, method of working, which type of method we are using. Fourth, inclination of the seam. Okay. Then the subsidence. Subsidence, एक subsidence factor is also not mentioned in your AK Gorai. So subsidence factor A equal to S max, maximum subsidence, divided by M. M is the working place. So you may curious that why he AK Gorai showed this is very small width, and because this depth is very high as compared to this is very small, so he has taken the small. So this is our area of working, and this is the depth. So what is angle of Drew? Angle of Drew is this one. Vertical, this is a vertical to the subsidence started. This is your angle of Drew. Okay, this is yours. This is your subsidence profile. Okay, now what is difference between the critical, supercritical and subcritical? This is your limit line, or this is vertical line. So the angle between these two, we are calling it angle of Drew. So what is the critical subsidence? Critical subsidence, we only have a stress generated only a single point. Okay, in the subcritical, stress do not generate on the surface. It may be generated on the bottom or working faces, but it will not generate on the surface. Or supercritical, this is the stress curve of the subcritical. It is the subsidence profile. It is angle of Drew. Okay, stress curve. It is supercritical curve. So stress curve is this one. So in this, the maximum stress at the surface. So you should know the diagram at least. And if you want to read more about it, I have told you that you should go for explosive, drilling pattern, and subsidence, or other method of mining. So you have to go. Okay, I have left two things. First, yes, subsidence, caving height, and this one, and one also I have left, ground vibration threshold. Okay, so we have discussed detonator, then velocity of detonator, detonating pressure, type of detonator, DGMS stipulation, drilling pattern, drilling method, common method of the exploration of drilling, hole, vibration threshold, introduction, angle of drift. I have left this one. Okay, so this is our first chapter theory. We should start our numerical, or you want to comment anything? If you want to ask, or we will discuss it later. Start. Management has told me that we cannot go for Hindi more because you all guys have studies in English. So I have to focus more on English because many people are from South India. They do not understand Hindi much. So I will. Okay, Sankarji said start problem. Okay, today we will discuss five to six problem, and tomorrow we will only focus on problems. Where is problems? Okay, timer. Should I allow? I will give 10 seconds for each. Start. Okay, 20 seconds. Solve this question as fast as you can. Okay, stop. I stop. Now I am going to start. So I have given the time. People have commented B option. So B option is right. Should I discuss? Comment yes. If anybody wants to discuss, I will discuss. Or otherwise, I. Yes, Ritesh, right answer. Harish Chandra, right. Shankar, right. Should I discuss? Please comment yes or no. Okay, I will discuss. I will give 20 seconds and I will discuss. Okay. So this is our question. So he has given us the heading. So the volume weight. What is the powder factor? Powder factor formula is the weight of the coal by mass required for explosive, है ना? In kg. So for the volume of coal produced into density of coal divided by mass of explosive required. So volume of coal heading for 2.5 into 1 advance for the 1 per cycle na. Density of coal is 1.5. Ready? Then mass of explosive given 6. Solve it, it will 2.5. So this ton by kg is also important. Okay. Why? Sometimes he will not give kg and he will only give gram. Okay. So you should also know ton by kg. Now come to second point. Solve. And comment. I am facing I can't see your comment in my mobile. Why? So please comment. Have you solved this question? I didn't started this time timer. Okay, Harish Chandra answered D. Please comment. Okay, Pavan Banot answer D. Okay, I will discuss. So, how we will solve? What is OMS? OMS is output per man per shift. He asked. So output per man per shift means output per shift divided by total manpower in one shift, because we are talking about one shift. So output per shift कितना हो गया 900 डिवाइड बाई 3 एंड टोटल मैन पावर 800 टोटल है पर शिफ्ट 3. So it will come as which is 0.5, not in answer. Okay, next question, please solve fast. Second. Vishal, answer A. Okay, so this is your question. I told you that that Sarni. How many of you remember that Sarni? So here he has given us the width of the pillar is 9.5 and gallery is 3. The percent. This is simple question. I thought that we need that table. So R, what is percentage of extraction? percentage expression, what is the formula? 1 minus, if the square similar, then a plus b by a plus b ka whole square into 100. So 1 minus, what is the a? What is a? Pillar 9.5 ka square. What is a plus b? 9.5 plus 3 ka square into 100. When you will solve it, you will get 24.8%. Okay. Should I tell you the some concept? Okay. I want to. I do not have too much time. Okay. If anybody wants you square near 100, okay. Yeah. If you want to in any question like 102 square, 103 square, so you can find out in 2 3 method. First method is, what is first method? Suppose how much it this is 100, this is 102. What is the extra 2? So remember this 2. So 102 add 2. So what is 104? Okay, and then square this 2. So this is 04. Answer will be 0404. Okay, so like this 103 plus 3, 03 ka square, so 10609. Okay, if you want 04 square, so 08 16. Okay, if you need 52 or 53 48 square, then you gave how much it is extra from 50 is 2. So this time you should remember 25 na. So how much it is extra? Plus 2. I think I have. So and this is the 2 ka square. This is 2704. If you want this type of trick, I will explain in one day. Okay, I just show you the few. One trick is also like if you three the 6, 4 3 ja 12. Add this one 18. So 8 1 4 4 2 ja 8. 9. Okay, I will one day I will take a class, so it will be only focus to how to solve the numerical the data, how to handle the data. So I know some tricks I will explain in the class. I will take a separate class, or in this class I will take half an hour. So I will explain how to solve, because in the exam they will not provide us the calculator. So the calculation should be the easy, or it look like easy. Okay, so two three question we should focus. Okay, at the board and pillar working in the conjunction with the hydraulic stowing, what is the answer? Please comment. I have discussed and I have revised 2 3 times. You should know. Very bad explanation. Brother, I just show you these type of tricks are going on. I will explain in the other class. Because I know many things, I cannot uh, provide you the all the data. I just show you that these method are in the market or in the books. You should know, so it will definitely help you in the examination, because in the traditional method it will time consuming method. So if you know the some trick how to square the things, how we can multiply the things, so it will benefit us in the examination. So if I will start discussing or explaining each and everything right now, then many people will say, focus on your numerical part. Why you are diverting? I will take a separate class and I will explain each and every concept, whatever I know, which will help you in the examination. Okay, so answer only two answer has come: steep diagonal and diagonal. Its answer is steep diagonal. I have explained. Diagonal method is generally prefer, but for the conjunction with the hydraulic stowing, the method is steep diagonal. I told you today also that these 2 points you should remember. Okay, so steep diagonal. The drilling method which can apply for the most wider range of depth. I have discussed within 15 to 20 minutes before, so you should know this question at least. Please comment. Hurry up. Okay, Shankar has already given the answer. Okay, answer is diamond drilling. The diamond drilling has the highest economic depth, can use in any type of strata except fissure. Fissure means जो it's not intact rock, it is in fissure form. Okay, match the following. I told you this type of question I may ask. They have asked you in the gate 2010. So please provide the answer. Vishal, which type of book you are following? I don't know. I have discussed in the slide also that diamond drilling has a high more depth than any other method. Please comment. Answer of 6. Gate 2010. This question has asked. Should I discuss? I only know English and Hindi language. Please do not post this South language because I don't know. Okay, some of you have given answer C, which is wrong. I have given a trick also. Okay, that trick. What is the trick? No bag in education, industry or education school. So what is means? No means annex, which annex, bx, ax, ex. Okay. So nx is the diameter will be more biggest. So this outer diameter in mm. Then this. Okay. Then ax. Okay. Okay, everyone. I think they in the AK Gorai its answer is wrong. You should check. This will be the our answer. This is the next question. Please solve. 20 seconds. Okay. Should I discuss? Because no one has replied yet. Okay. In the board and pillar, having the square pillar is designed the 30% of the extraction of the during. Okay. 30%. They have given us R. How much? 30%. Okay. Then they have given us the width of the gallery. Okay. So R, we know the formula 1 minus A square by A plus B. We are considering the square. They have already told, but we are considering the square. So here the 30 equal to 1 minus A square by A plus 5 ka square into 100. It will 0.3 1 minus A square by A plus 5 ka square. So when we'll solve, it will 0.7 बराबर A square by A plus 5 का square. When we solve it, A by A plus 5 root of 0.7 and we will get A equal to 25.6. Okay, let's discuss what do you have problem and what should I do. Please comment. Okay. Tarun Mama Anta, I don't know Tamil language, South language. Please, sorry, bro. Waste of time, boss. Sorry if I wasted your time. I am doing my job. I told you if you need anything and if you help, if you want to, and I can change or if I can improve, I will definitely improve. So please comment if anything I can do for you. Yes, VIKRAM. Yes, Tarun ji.
सर नमस्कार सर.
नमस्ते.
सर दिस इज तरुण सर.
हाँ, यस.
सर आपका हाँ सर, आपका
हाँ
वे ऑफ
है.
एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छा नहीं है सर. आप अच्छी तरह उसकी एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकते हैं सर आप.
यार मैं हिंदी में बढ़िया कर पाऊंगा पर बहुत सारे इंग्लिश में है. क्या
इंग्लिश
चीज
में ठीक है सर. हिंदी हिंदी में भी बता दो सर हमको. हिंदी में भी समझ आएगा.
अच्छा, क्या चीज एक्सप्लेन सही से करना है?
तो न्यूमेरिकल्स भी अच्छा नहीं कर रहे सर. आप एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं दे रहे न्यूमेरिकल्स को.
बिकॉज बहुत सारे बच्चे कमेंट कर रहे हैं, तो क्या मुझे और खुल के एक्सप्लेन करना चाहिए ऐसा?
सर वो ये पहले थर्ड क्वेश्चन में वो एक्सट्रैक्शन परसेंटेज ऑफ एक्सट्रैक्शन है ना सर.
हाँ हाँ
उसमें बोला आर इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस ए स्क्वायर बाई ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर इंटू 100.
हाँ हाँ.
इधर 100 क्यों लिया और ये ए
ओ,
स्क्वायर बाई बी स्क्वायर ऐसे ना सर. ये
ओके
क्यों
ओके.
लिया ऐसा एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा ना सर.
ओके ओके, आई विल डिस्कस. आई थॉट दैट एवरीबody नो, सो आई वाज हरी इन द हरी. आई विल डिस्कस, डेफिनेटली आई विल डिस्कस.
अब ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप में बोलिए सर हमको. ठीक. ये पॉइंट
ओके
एग्जाम में
ओके
ऐसी तरह से बोलिए सर हमको.
ओके, सॉरी, आई विल डिस्कस इन डिटेल. एनीथिंग
आप
एल्स?
हाँ आप दे रहे एक लेक्चर जैसे दे रहे सर. आप हमको समझ में नहीं आ रहे. और एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ में हमको क्या आएगा वो मेन इंपॉर्टेंट उस बता दो सर हमको.
ओके ओके, मैं अब कुछ क्वेश्चन जो भी सोल्व करूंगा वो डिटेल से सोल्व करूंगा, ठीक है?
ओके ओके
और
थैंक यू सर.
लास्ट लास्ट तक मैं सोल्व करके बताऊंगा. मैंने सोचा बहुत सारे लोगों का आंसर आ रहा है तो कैलकुलेशन आप लोग कर लेंगे, मेरे को मेथड बताना है,
सर
मुझे क्या पता.
वो आंसर दे रहे आप पहले भी टिक कर दिए ना उधर. वो देखकर
ओ,
आपको आंसर दे रहे हो.
कौन?
ओके ओके.
क्या बोले? ओके, मैं अब पूरा डिटेल से सॉल्यूशन दूंगा, ठीक है? ठीक है ठीक है. टुमारो टेक एक्स्ट्रा क्लास एंड एक्सप्लेन द प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग टेक्निक सर. ओके ओके शंकर जी, I will show you the some technique to solve the questions. Brother, minimum Hindi wastage easy. Mali books PDF provided just. Okay, one of your friend has saying that you should solve the question in the detail, because I told you that this is the calculation part. Okay, I will solve tomorrow onward. I will solve the each and every question till the answer will not come. जब तक आंसर नहीं आ जाता है मैं अब पूरा सोल्व करके कोशिश करूंगा कि एग्जाम में कैसे सोल्व करना है. मैं अब आपको ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि इसका आंसर ये आएगा. मैं सोचा मेथड बता देना चाहिए, लेकिन अब मुझे पूरा आंसर तक सोल्व करूंगा. एनीथिंग एल्स? Okay, one Tarun, at least we can learn in early stage so that at least we can. Okay, I thought uh, that was my mistake. So I compare third question I will discuss again. Okay, in detail. Then I will leave the class. We have only 5 minutes. So R 1 minus, we have discussed 9.5 square by, this is the formula, R equal to 1 minus a square by a plus b ka square into 100. This is our formula of percentage of extraction. I have told many times. So you should know. Yesterday, day before yesterday, I told 4 or 5 times that you should know this formula, this formula. Where this formula is? this formula. I told you that you should know this formula. Okay, so this is the formula, percentage of extraction. And why this 100 was coming? If it is r percentage, then this 100 will come. If it is not, it will not come. It r percentage, then. So he has given us, he asked us the percentage of extraction. So r equal to 1 minus a square by, a square means a, here a equal to 9.5, मतलब ए जो गैलरी जो पिलर है ना, पिलर उसका 19.5 है एंड गैलरी 3 का है. सो यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला क्या था हमारे पास, आर बराबर 1 माइनस पिलर का हाइट का स्क्वायर अपॉन पिलर प्लस गैलरी का स्क्वायर. ठीक है, ये परसेंटेज में है. तो आर बराबर, तो परसेंटेज मतलब 1 बाय होता है, तो ये उधर चला जाता है, तो इसलिए हो गया. और कल मैं वापस एक बार डिस्कस कर दूंगा, क्योंकि 6 बजे से किसी और का क्लास है. मैं कल वापस ये सारे क्वेश्चन करूंगा, डिटेल से सोल्व करूंगा, और मेरे को जो जो ट्रिकें बतानी होगी उसको भी मैं आराम से बताऊंगा आप लोगों को, जिससे अच्छे से आप सोल्व कर पाओ. क्योंकि मैं कभी कभी क्या है, मैं पिछले एसएससी वालों को पढ़ाता था, तो मैं सोचा कि उनको ट्रिकें आती थी, आप लोग नए हैं. आई विल डिस्कस few tricks which help you in the examination. Square key. So one task today is you should mug up 2 to 25 squares, 2 square, 3 square, 5 square. It will definitely help you in the examination. Square आपको 2 से लेके 25 तक याद होने चाहिए, और क्यूब 2 से लेके एटलीस्ट 15 तक आपको क्यूब याद होना चाहिए. 2 का क्यूब 8. Okay, so cube and square you should mug up, and you should know the table 2 to 20 at least. Okay, tomorrow I will again solve these questions in detail, so nobody will face any problem, and I will discuss in detail.